Hi, I'm Josie Brown. I am from Geneseo, Illinois, which is by the Quad Cities. It's about 5 hours away. Um, in the future, I hope to be a physical therapist and hopefully work in a hospital like setting or clinic setting. And I don't really have any background in this topic. Excited to learn some more about it. Looks very interesting. Um, and then I think it's important for me to understand pharmacology because I'll be working with people that have like aches and pains and with like joint problems, so it could be common to use uh, different sources to try and relieve pain instead of just through exercises and different stretching and modalities. So I'm super excited to learn more and understand how it can impact the body and what effects it might take on the body as well. And I can't wait for this class to get started and learn some cool stuff. See ya.